Marriage. In the name of God, the merciful, the compassionate. In the name of the one who joins hearts in love, who blesses the union of souls in sacred harmony. Love is the greatest weapon, a shield of peace, softening the hardest hearts, bringing light to the weary. Marriage is a covenant, a trust before God, a bond enduring as the stars in their courses. Greet your partner each day with love in your heart, for the dawn of affection sustains the bond. Happiness enlarges the heart, a joy that overflows and sanctifies the home. Love all manners of your partner, for hidden within them are treasures to admire. Recall the men of old who fought for the right to marry, their struggles a testament to the sanctity of union. No king holds the right to what is sacred. The bond of marriage is shielded by divine decree. Confront, not in anger, but in love, for love is the language of understanding and peace. When two are married, their loyalty to God may dim, but through love, faith can be rekindled and restored. Married life is a blessing, and from it springs children, each child a miracle, a continuation of the Creator's design. In complacency, feed the soul with prayer. Meditation is a light that keeps love's flame alive. Solomon, in his love, taught wisdom. Is marriage a symbol of harmony and divine favor? Let marriage be a fortress against despair, a sanctuary of trust, compassion, and growth. Faithfulness is the foundation of union, a sacred vow that echoes through eternity. See your partner as a reflection of God's mercy, their strengths and flaws part of the Creator's design. The love between a man and a woman mirrors divine love, an eternal bond that transcends this life. Strive to protect the sanctity of marriage, for it is a cornerstone of community and faith. Teach your children the value of this bond, so they may walk in the path of love and righteousness. Let patience guide your partnership, for trials only strengthen the weave of the thread. The Creator smiles upon those who honor their vows, their lives filled with peace and purpose. Praise be to the one who binds hearts together, the ultimate source of love and unity. Blessed are those who marry with love and faith, for they are guardians of a sacred trust. Amen.